How to personalize Rednote messages. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to personalize Rednote messages. For this, open the Rednote app. Now just go to messages. Once you are on the messages, open the chat which you wanna send the message to. Type in the text. Now once you type in the text, you can see your various stickers available. Tap on it and you can just personalize it from here. Add whichever sticker you want. You can also search for it from here, and just like that you can personalize your own stickers from here. You can also go back and tap on this plus button. Choose whichever photo or video you want to personalize and just tap on next. Add new filters from here. Now you can add text by tapping on this text button and enter the text. Once you type in the text, you can customize it by adding the fonts like this. Now once you edit it, you can also add stickers to it like this. Just add the stickers and edit it however you want. Once you edit it, tap on next and just tap on this public right here, and you can share it to your friends. You can make it invisible to selected users from here, or you can just make it visible to selected users and visible to friends. And just like that, you personalized your Rednote messages. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.